On behalf of Joanne and myself, I want to welcome each of you to Michele and Tony's wedding, and thank you for sharing it with us.
Family, close friends, loved ones, we have been invited here today to share with Michele and Tony a very important moment in their lives. In the 11 years they have been together, their love and understanding of each other has grown and matured. And now, they have decided to live their lives together as husband and wife. I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, share in each other's triumphs, support each other in times of need, and laugh as much as possible.
You've shown me what love is all about. Love is more than just a feeling, more than just the words on this page. You've proved to me that you love me and all the small things you've done for me and for us. You are someone I look to for guidance, reason, and comfort. You are my home. You challenge me, ground me, and still make me laugh. I am so ready to begin my life with you as your husband. I love you dearly, forever and always, no matter what.
I've known since the very beginning that our relationship felt right, that it would always be you, my best friend. I'm so excited for this new adventure we are about to embark on. I can't wait to share my life with you. These past 11 years have been just the beginning. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, starting with today. Can't wait to see you and to call you my husband. I love you more.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Michele and Tony's wedding.
Michele, you are my one true partner in love.
Anthony, you are my partner and one true love.
I vow to respect you and love you for all that you are and will become.
Taking pride in who we are, both separately and together.
I vow to dedicate my life from this day forward to filling our days with joys and laughter.
I will love you unconditionally, through good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles we may face.
I give you my hand,
My heart,
my love,
from this day forward.
for as long as we both shall live.
Tony, you may kiss your bride.
I've watched you two grow together for quite a while now, and I can finally speak for all of us in saying, finally.
Tony, thank you for officially becoming part of the family, although you've always been a part of it. And at least for the last 11 years. Mom and I have considered you our son for quite some time and love you. Thank you for being Michele's partner in her happily ever after.
We could not be happier that our sister found her prince. We wish you every happiness in life there could be as you grow old together.
You two truly have something special together, and it couldn't be more clear to every one of us.
Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter for the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there will be no loneliness, for each of you will be companion to the other. May beauty surround you both in the journey ahead and through all the years. May happiness be your companion and your days together be good and long upon the earth.
As we toast to Michele, Tony, and their happily ever after.
Mom and I wish you and Tony endless love and happiness.
To many more years together in happiness and health.
To a long and happy marriage.